Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to send money Payoneer to Payoneer. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to payoneer.com, and after that just simply sign in into your account over here on the top right. And once you are signed in, just simply go ahead and click on pay on the left side over here. And now once you are here, just simply go ahead and click on this pay to a recipient Payoneer account, and you will have other options as well in recipient bank account or Amazon advertising invoice or VAT. So from here, just simply click on the first one, guys. So guys, as you can see, it is required sending payments of $500 or receive $500 from my account in order for me to proceed. And once you do, you should be able to just simply enter the recipient email address and just simply choose your payment method. And after that, just simply, of course, provide the amount that you want to pay. And after that, you can also have additionally add a description of the payment. And once you are done, you can just simply click pay now to complete the process and the payment. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.